Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how you can download Instagram Reels on your Android device. First I will show you the easiest way by which you can download Instagram Reels. First of all, open Instagram app, then select the reel you want to download, then press the forward button, add the post to your story. Now you just have to press the download button from the top. Now you are done. The Instagram reel will get saved in your gallery. The second way by which you can download Instagram reel is, first of all, open Instagram app, then select the reel you want to download, then copy the link of the reel, then open Chrome app, then go on this website. The link of this website I will post in the description box. Then you just have to paste the Instagram reel. Now press the download button. Again press the download button. Click on the three dots, then press download button. Now you are done. The reel will get downloaded and saved on in your gallery. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel for daily tech news. Thank you.